Hi guys, I am Irene and today I'm going to show you how to start a balloon business from a very small amount of money capital and make it grow to a bigger money. So when I started doing my business, it was in New York. Cannot find a job because I was new to America and I don't have any work experience in America. So I've been thinking what to do. So one time, one of my friends invited me to do a birthday party decorations. And I said, okay. So I went to Walmart and I bought this balloon pump for $7 and balloons. This is $2.99 and another one I bought this for $2.99 and this type of balloon as well. You can buy it like $3.99 and so you can also buy this. This is a glue that for balloons. So you stick this to the balloon to stick together. And of course, we need to have a string to attach all the balloons. You can also use the balloon, the twist balloon, the long one, to tie all the balloons. But it's up to you guys. So today, I'm going to show you how I make my $20 to $200 money. And after that, I was happy and I decided to make my business grow a little bit. And that's how I start my business. So I hope you enjoy and thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.